Hello and welcome to my garden sanctuary. Today, I'm so excited to share with you how to create your very own peaceful garden sanctuary, a space that brings nature indoors and adds a calm, green touch to your life. Whether you have a small balcony, a windowsill, or a room corner, we'll look at easy ways to transform it into a green oasis. Let's dive in. The first step to creating your green sanctuary is finding the right space. Look around your home and find a spot that could use a little nature. Maybe it's an empty shelf, a corner of your living room, or even a sunny windowsill. Remember, you don't need a big area. Even the smallest space can be transformed with the right touches. Just make sure it has enough natural light, as this will be essential for most plants. Next, let's talk about plants. The types of plants you choose will make all the difference in creating the atmosphere you want. If you're a beginner, I recommend starting with low-maintenance plants like succulents, pothos, or snake plants. These are resilient, thrive in various light conditions, and add beautiful greenery with minimal effort. For a calming vibe, consider ferns or a peace lily. They add softness and bring a feeling of tranquility to any space. Just be mindful of each plant's light and watering needs to keep them thriving. Once you have your plants, it's time to arrange them to create a balanced and inviting look. Start by grouping plants of different sizes and textures. For example, place a larger plant in the back and add smaller ones in front to create depth. You can also get creative with how you display them. Try placing plants on stacked books, on a small stool, or in a hanging planter for added dimension. The goal is to create layers that draw the eye and add interest to your space. To really make your sanctuary feel like an oasis, consider adding a few personal touches. Things like fairy lights, decorative pots, small sculptures, or even a few natural elements like stones or shells can elevate the look. These additions add personality and make the space feel uniquely yours. Just remember to keep it simple so that the focus remains on the greenery. Maintaining your green sanctuary doesn't have to be complicated. Set a routine to check on your plants, maybe once a week, to see if they need water or a little care. Most plants will thrive with just occasional watering, cleaning the leaves from dust, and the occasional prune to keep them healthy. Remember, the goal here is to create a peaceful space, so keep it simple and enjoy the process. To really bring a touch of nature and serenity, try adding a few natural elements to your space. Things like smooth river stones, pieces of driftwood, or even a small water feature can enhance the relaxing vibe. These elements give your sanctuary a more earthy feel and help create a calming environment. You can even use decorative bowls with pebbles or shells for a unique, personal touch. One way to keep your garden sanctuary thriving all year is to adjust care routines with the seasons. In summer, you might find that your plants need a bit more water, while in winter, they might benefit from more light. Try to give them a little extra attention during seasonal changes, as it helps them stay healthy and vibrant. Plus, adding seasonal plants or flowers can bring new energy and colors to your sanctuary with each season. And there you have it, your very own garden sanctuary. A small green oasis can bring so much calm and beauty to your home, and it's easier than you might think to create. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my garden sanctuary for more tips on creating your green, peaceful space. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.